Okay, so hello everyone, welcome back. Like what it says in the beginning, this vehicle was recently in a flood. Now I think I'm gonna have to replace the transmission oil for fear that water got inside our transmission. So we're going to do that through here. This is where we're going to put the oil in, and this is where we're going to drain the oil. Okay, this is just a matter of precaution. Should water got inside this transmission, then we need to drain that out, or if not, then just look on the bright side, we at least have new gear oil. So you need to jack the vehicle up, you see, and as much as possible parallel or as level to the ground as possible. And there's my dog Shiny, say hello. So first things first, let me remove this. Okay, 24 mm. So water got inside because that should not be full. See that? That is an obvious sign that water really got in, because the level of the oil should only be up to here. Should you open this up, oil should not be leaking out of here. Managed to catch some of the oil, but most the initial leaked out. Okay. Now let me loosen the drain plug if I can with one hand. And there we go. Make sure the pan is underneath. And that's that. So the reason why we undid this first, that way when we remove this, it's much more easier for the oil to come out. Okay, so the oil has all dripped out now, and this is what we have collected. There's clearly some water in it. See, it's floating above the oil. And these are the plugs that we took out. Ideally, it would be better to replace these aluminum washers, but I don't have time to do that now. If I'll do, I'm going to be stuck in traffic and I won't be able to finish this on time. But I would just like to point out, this is the one that's the bottom plug. Okay, this one has a magnet in it, this doesn't. Actually, I've already cleaned this up. This is intended to accumulate all the metal particles inside the transmission, and this is actually some of it. Okay, this is what I use to wipe this off. So I'm going to put this plug back on. Okay. Tighten that back down. Okay. Just tighten it to the extent that you feel the aluminum washer compress. Okay. Okay. Now we need to fill this up with transmission oil, and it's fairly easy to do. All you need is a hose and route it through the engine bay. So this is our clear hose, and I just crudely made this funnel out of a plastic bottle. Let's route that down there. Okay. Insert the clear hose here, and we're going to fill this up with oil until we see oil oozing out of here. Okay. So the oil that I'm going to use is synthetic eel oil 90. Based from the oil collected, I'm gonna say that's about 2, maybe 3 liters of oil. Let's start. So I place the funnel here because the oil takes quite some time to come down, because this is thick, viscous oil. Okay, 90. So this is the first 1 liter of oil. I'll show you, and that's down towards the transmission. So oil is getting in, and let's wait for oil to flow out of that plug. Okay, so it's starting to ooze out or flow out, as you can see. So our transmission is now full. We'll now funnel the rest back to our container so we won't be wasteful, okay? Again, just tighten it just enough as soon as you feel the aluminum washer being compressed. Okay. Wipe the excess off. And that's that. So it took about 2.5 liters of oil to fill up, because there's still about half of oil here. So anyway, I do believe that's it. That's how you can simply replace your transmission oil. So the next video I'll make is how to replace the oil inside your differential. So anyway, I hope you like this video. I hope you found this helpful, informative, enjoyable even. If you do, if you're new to my channel, like, share, subscribe if you want to. Okay? Only if you want to, and as always, thank you for watching.